Here we have a Hardinge Super Precision lathe, a model DSM 59. It's hooked up to 230 volt 3-phase power, and we're going to turn it on here and show you that it works. Okay, in order to turn it on, you have to pull this, and then it'll start. So it's got a couple controls right here, and it's got a high and low speed. So let's see here. We're gonna go forward and low speed. That's your forward and low speed. And then this is your forward and high speed. Okay, you can also increase it with this one right here so you can go faster. It's probably gonna be your fastest speed right there. Okay. Now we're gonna go reverse, and it's gonna be reverse high speed. And you can also go faster or slower. And now we're gonna go reverse low speed. And that's reverse slow speed. And either on slow speed or fast speed, you can adjust. You still have the option to adjust your speed here on this variable speed knob right here. Another feature it has is the coolant. As you can see, coolant works right here. Okay, and those are your main functions. You do have your turret right here, and you can turn it like that. Just kind of slide it back, and it'll turn on its own. Okay, so that is your Hardinge Super Precision lathe.